Alright, I'm Chad Heckler, and this is what I take to a 2-day pro match. Starting at the front of my rifle, we got the Maverick, Bartline barrel, Accutech bipod, loophole, scope, loom, peak action, MPA chassis. Got the Crusher timer here. Loophole binos, Kestrel HUD, Kestrel. Got the speaker for the jams. Rifle cover, Kestrel case, ammo pouch, Ear Pro. Got an extra brass pouch here. Spare bolt, spare timer, hot hands, ammo box, extra rifle cover, lens wipes, sunscreen, data cards, Sharpies, electrolytes, ARD plus extra headgear. Open up the pouch here, I got all my batteries, spare mag, cleaning rod, grip changer, fix-it sticks, Schmedium, Python, plate bag, long bino or long bipod, short bipod, extra pack cover.